Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the Vivo X80 and Vivo X80 smartphone in a couple of minutes. Let's go. On the evening of April 25th, Vivo officially launched a new generation of flagship smartphones, the Vivo X80 series, including the X80 and X80 Pro versions, which have similarities and obvious differences. CPU: X80 only has DNT 9000 while X80 Pro has two variants of DNT 9000 and Snapdragon 8. Screen: it in both models is a 6.78-inch Samsung E5 AMOLED with a 92.2% screen-to-body ratio, 120Hz high-definition, P3 color gamut and HDR support. X80 has 2400x1080 resolution and 16.7 million colors while X80 Pro has 3200x1440 resolution, 1.07 billion colors and LTPO 3.0. Rear view camera: both models have Zeiss T optical lenses and self-developed V1 Plus graphics chips, and support low-light mobile phone, night vision devices. The X80 is triple camera on the back, has support for 2x optical zoom, 20x digital zoom. The X80 Pro is quad camera on the back, supporting 5x optical zoom, 60x digital zoom, and Zeiss Movie Blur. Battery: both models support 80W wired fast charging. X80 has 4500 mAh, X80 Pro has 4700 mAh and 50W wireless fast charging support. Price: X88 plus 128GB 3699 yuan, 8 plus 256GB 3999 yuan, 12 plus 256GB 4399 yuan and 12 plus 512GB 4899 yuan. There are three color schemes: travel, holiday and black. It will go on sale April 29, 2022. The X80 Pro 8 plus 256GB is 5499 yuan, 12 plus 256GB is 5999 yuan, and 12 plus 512GB is 6699 yuan. There are three color schemes: travel, holiday and black. It will go on sale April 29, 2022. If you want to buy, follow the link in the comments. This concludes the review. Bye bye.